Back in 2019, Answers in Genesis published Goldilocks is Dead, Exoplanets Are Inhospitable to Life. Where they try to discount the 50 exoplanets that have been discovered, 49, saying they're not habitable for various reasons. Like they orbit a red dwarf star, or they're potentially gas giants. But if we look at some of the masses of the exoplanets that have been discovered in the habitable zone, some of them are only, and since the article, some of the new ones have been discovered, like T. Arden, the TRAPPIST system, TOI 700D. They're all very close to Earth mass and very close to Earth radius, so they're likely the same. I mean, they're likely rocky, and they order M-type stars, which we orbit a different kind of star, but still, if the stars are calm enough, they could have an atmosphere, and even if they have a little bit of solar activity, solar flares, they could still have an atmosphere, potentially. So they try to discount that, and then they say the only alternative would be to face the uneasy truth that the Earth is a unique and privileged planet. Yeah, out of the whole universe, Earth is the only unique planet. And this isn't even taking into account, we have places in our solar system that are habitable. We have Europa with the global ocean. Ganymede with a global ocean. Enceladus with the global ocean, the United Geysers. And Titan with a global ocean. Under its crust. Now we know this from magnetometer readings from the Galileo probe for Ganymede and Europa. We know that for the same reason around Titan with the Cassini probe. And also Cassini noticed that the crust seemed to shift a degree or so, I can't remember exactly, from when it first started observing it, indicating that it was floating on a surface of water, basically. So even within our solar system we have some potentially habitable moons that life could have formed on. And of those moons, some of them have been found to have organic compounds, particularly Titan, which has tholins, methane, ethane. And when you mix tholins with water, which if they get down through the crust, they likely do, into that water ice layer, the water layer, tholins become amino acids. And amino acids are the building blocks for proteins, which are the building blocks for DNA, RNA. So it's very possible that life exists on Titan, or any number of these moons, or planets for that matter. And Answers in Genesis used to say we would never find planets in the Goldilocks zone. Now they say, well, we did, but they're not the right kind. So that's the video. Like and subscribe.